Rust is rapidly gaining traction in the programming world due to its unparalleled focus on safety, concurrency, and performance. These features make Rust an ideal choice for modern software development, ensuring reliability and efficiency. However, to fully leverage these advantages, it is crucial to set up the Rust toolchain correctly. A proper installation not only maximizes performance, but also helps avoid common pitfalls, allowing developers to utilize Rust's full capabilities. Transitioning from understanding Rust's importance, let's address a critical hurdle faced by many new developers: the setup process. Installing Rust and correctly configuring your development environment can be surprisingly tricky. Many beginners encounter vague documentation, unexpected errors, and a multitude of configuration options. This can lead to significant time loss, unnecessary frustration, and potential errors that overshadow Rust's benefits. Understanding these common pitfalls is essential to streamline your workflow. Having understood the common setup issues, let's explore how to use Rustup to manage the Rust toolchain efficiently. Rustup simplifies the installation process by allowing you to install and switch between different toolchain channels such as stable, beta, and nightly. Start by using the sh command to download and execute the Rustup installer. Then, install the stable toolchain and set it as your default using Rustup. Keep your toolchain updated with Rustup Update. This flexibility ensures you are equipped with the necessary tools for any Rust project. Now, we'll put theory into practice by demonstrating the installation of Rust using Rustup. First, we invoke the Rustup installer script via the command line. This automatically configures your environment and downloads the necessary components. Next, we'll ensure the stable toolchain is set as default, guaranteeing reliability for development. Finally, let's create a simple Rust program and compile it with Rust to verify our setup. Upon execution, you should see "Hello, Rust" displayed, confirming a successful installation. Now that you've seen how to install Rust, let's explore some common pitfalls to avoid. Firstly, ignoring environment variables can lead to unexpected behavior. Always ensure your path variable includes the Rust binaries. Secondly, neglecting to update your toolchain can cause compatibility issues with new Rust features. Use Rustup Update regularly to keep your setup current. Lastly, check your IDE for Rust support to ensure seamless coding. Keeping these points in mind will help maintain a smooth Rust development experience. Understanding the significance of a well-configured Rust setup is vital for maximizing productivity and leveraging Rust's full potential. By ensuring your development environment is set up correctly, you can avoid common pitfalls and streamline your coding process. Remember to keep your toolchain updated and your IDE configured to support Rust efficiently. We'd love to hear about your Rust setup experiences. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.